Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. Today we are going to solve a very important question from the chapter Quadratic Equations. I will explain you it in very easy way. So please watch the video till end. Now let's read the question. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 hours 36 minutes. The tap of larger diameter takes 8 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay. So to uh, to understand this question, to solve this question, okay, you have to understand a concept. Okay, let me explain you through an example. Okay, suppose I have given a work to a student Priya. I told her to read 28 pages of a book. Okay, so she completed this work. Okay, it means this work means 28 pages. She completed 28 pages in 7 days. Okay, in 7 days. It means what? Her 7 days work is 28 pages. 7 days work is 28 pages. The same line I can write it in this way. Work done in 7 days is equal to 28. Okay, now can you tell me what is the work done by Priya in 1 day? See, work done in 1 day. You have to apply unitary method 28 by 7. So this one is very important. You are applying unitary method here. So you will get 4 pages. It means Priya reads 4 pages every day. Okay. So here the condition is that equal amount of work she has to do. Okay. So this is how we have to solve this question also. Okay. Let me erase it. Okay, now, so let me draw a tap with smaller diameter. Let me draw another tap with a larger diameter. Okay, so we have to find out time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Let the smaller tap takes X hours to fill the tank separately. Then the larger tap will take less time. So here it is given larger diameter takes 8 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. So it will take X minus 8 hours. X minus 8 hours. Okay. So now let the time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank separately is X hours. Then the time taken by larger tap is equal to X minus 8 hours. Okay. Now once you recall that concept, I can write the same thing. See, now I can write work done by smaller tap in X hours. Smaller tap does some work. What is that work? Filling the tank completely. It is a work. It is one complete work. Filling the tank completely is a complete work. Okay, it is a whole. Okay, so I can write it as 1. Work done by smaller tap in X hours is equal to 1. This line is very important. Okay, work done by smaller tap in x hours is equal to 1. Now work done now work done by smaller tap in 1 hour. Apply unitary method. Okay, in the example the work is 28 pages. Okay, so one day work is 28 by 7, but here the work is 1. So here 1 hour work is 1 by x. Here you don't write h. Okay, it is a piece of work. Okay, in 1 hour smaller tap can fill 1 by x part of the tank. Okay, now work done by larger tap in x minus 8 hours is equal to 1. Similarly, larger tap can fill the tank completely in x minus 8 hours. Okay, work done in x minus 8 hours, full tank. Okay, full tank. Now work done by larger tap in 1 hour is equal to 1 by x minus 8. It is a piece of work. Okay. Now it is given that two taps together can fill a tank in 9 hours 36 minutes. If we start two taps, if we open two taps, then they together can fill a tank together. They together can fill a tank in 9 hours 36 minutes. Okay, it means what? 9 hours plus 36 by 60 hours. Convert it into hours. 9 hours plus 12 3s are and 12 5s are. 3 by 5 hour. It means take LCM. Okay, it is a mixed fraction. Convert it into improper fraction. You will get 9 5s are 45. 48 by 5 hours. Okay, it means two water taps together can fill a tank in 48 by 5 hours. Okay, time taken by two taps together is equal to 48 by 5 hours. Okay, now this can be written as work done by two taps together in 48 by 5 hours is equal to 1. So work done by two taps together in 1 hour is equal to 1 by 48 by 5. It means 5 by 48. Okay, it is a piece of work. Don't write h here. It is a work, piece of work. So I will write work here. Okay. So now let's see the previous slide. Here work done by smaller tap in 1 hour is, let us name it equation number 1. Work done by larger tap in 1 hour is, it is equation number 2. Now work done by two taps together in 1 hour is 5 by 48 hours. Take it equation number 3. Now from equation 1, 2 and 3 we can write 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 8 is equal to 5 by 48. Okay. Now if you simplify it, you will get a quadratic equation. So x minus 8 plus x by x into x minus 8 is equal to 5 by 48. Okay. So here x minus 8, okay, here x minus 8 plus x by x square minus 8x is equal to 5 by 48. Now 2x minus 8 by x square minus 8x is equal to 5 by 48. Now cross multiplication, 48 into 2x minus 8 is equal to 5 into x square minus 8x. Okay. Now 48 into 2. 2 8 is 16, carry over 1. 2 4 is 8, 9. 96x minus 8 8 is 64, carry over 6. 8 4 is 32 and 38 is equal to 5x square minus 40x. Okay. Now we will continue in next slide. Okay. What was there in the previous slide? 96x minus 384. 96x minus 384 is equal to 5x square minus 40x is equal to 5x square minus 40x. Okay. Now it can be written as 5x square minus 40x minus 96x plus 384 is equal to 0. It means 5x square minus 136x plus 384 is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. Now we will solve it by middle term splitting. So 384 into 5, okay, 5 4 is a 20, carry over 2, 5 8 is a 40, 42, carry 4, 5 3 is a 15, 4 19, 1920. So we want minus 136 as sum and 1920 as product. So suppose I take minus 120 and minus 16, we will get sum as this, and if we multiply these two numbers we will get product as this. Okay. You can do it by using prime factorization also. Okay. If I will do the prime factorization, the video will be long. So directly I am taking these numbers. Okay. So now let me erase all these. Okay. Now 5x square minus 120x minus 16x plus 384 is equal to 0. Now take common, 5x is common, so x minus 24 minus 16 is common, x minus 16 2s are 32, then 16 4s are 64. Okay, then you will get 5x minus 24, 5x minus 16 is equal to 0. It implies x minus 24 is equal to 0 or 5x minus 16 is equal to 0. X is equal to 24 or x is equal to 16 by 5. Okay. Now we have two values here. Okay. But we have to check which is correct, which is not. Okay. First we have assumed that time taken by smaller tap is equal to x hours. Time taken by larger tap is equal to x minus 8 hours. Okay. Okay, we have doubt about this fraction value. Okay, we can take fraction, but here fraction is correct or not, we have to check. Okay, so here what 16 by 5 means what? If we divide 16 by 5, you will get what? 5 3s are 15. Okay, 1 will be left. We will bring a 0. Then we will put a point, and 5 2s are 10. 3.2. It means it is 3.2 minus 8 hours. Okay, 3.2 minus 8, we will get negative answer. Negative answer. Okay, it means time cannot be negative. Okay, time taken by larger tap is the negative. So time cannot be negative. So rejected. Okay, it is not possible. So which one we have to take? X is equal to 24. So time taken by smaller tap, time taken by smaller tap is equal to 24 hours. Okay, and time taken by larger tap is equal to 24 minus 8. It means what? 16 hours. Okay, so we have got the answer. I hope you have understood this very clearly.